Welcome to Prime Product Picks. The best zoom lens is probably one of the most exciting accessories you can get for your iPhone 11. It's designed to enhance your mobile photography experience, allowing you to capture shots that were previously impossible with just your phone's built-in camera. Whether you're a casual snapper or a serious mobile photographer, a zoom lens can open up a whole new world of creative possibilities. Number 5. Xenvo Pro Lens Kit for iPhone and Android. This lens kit works with all smartphones, tablets, and laptops, including iPhone, Samsung Galaxy, Google Pixel, and Huawei. It includes a wide-angle lens, a macro lens, a lens clip, an LED light, a lanyard, a case, and a cleaning cloth. It's designed to enhance your mobile photography experience. The TrueView 0.45x wide-angle lens lets you capture 45% more in every shot. It's perfect for landscapes, architecture, and group photos. The lens is made from aircraft-grade aluminum and premium optical glass, ensuring durability and clarity. The Claris 15x macro lens lets you capture stunning close-up photos. It magnifies nearby subjects, revealing intricate details. Position the lens about half an inch from the subject for the best results. The Glow Clip LED light clips onto your phone to provide continuous, warm light. It has 3 brightness settings and is superior to your phone's built-in flash. Say goodbye to bad photos with this helpful tool. The quick-release lanyard and travel case make it easy to transport and protect your lens kit. The case keeps everything safe, and the lanyard lets you carry the lenses around your neck. You'll never miss a photo opportunity again. What we like. This kit offers a wide-angle lens to capture more of the scene, perfect for landscapes or group shots. The macro lens lets you explore the tiny details of the world. And the included LED fill light ensures your photos are well lit, even in low-light situations. If you're looking for a versatile kit that covers a wide range of photography needs, you should consider this one. What people say. The macro and wide-angle lenses do work, and the LED light is a cool feature for low-light shots. Works and no vignette. Works with or without case. The wide-angle lens gave me edge-to-edge clarity, and the macro lens picked up incredibly fine detail. Perfect for B-roll content and product shots. The included glow light is a great touch for low-light or indoor photos, and everything comes in a tidy case that's easy to travel with. Number 4. KEYWING 3-in-1 Phone Camera Lens Kit. This 3-in-1 lens kit includes a 20x macro lens. It allows you to get incredibly close to your subject, revealing details you've never seen before. The best focusing distance is between 1.18 and 3.54 inches. The 120 degrees wide-angle lens expands your field of view by 10%. It's perfect for capturing expansive landscapes or fitting more people into your shots. This lens helps you see more of the world. The 198 degrees fisheye lens creates a unique, distorted perspective. It's great for adding a fun, creative touch to your photos, making everything look cuter. This lens will make your photos stand out. These professional HD lenses use advanced lanthanide optical glass. This reduces reflections and ghosting, providing you with amazing clarity and detail. The high-quality aluminum shell ensures durability. The lenses are easy to use with a simple clip-on design. Just attach the lens to the clip and clip it onto your phone's camera. The soft rubber protects your phone from scratches, and the strong spring ensures a secure fit. The 3.6 cm clip is compatible with most smartphones, including iPhones, Samsung, and Google phones. For optimal results, remove your phone case before use. This kit is designed for almost everyone. The kit includes the wide-angle lens, fisheye lens, macro lens, universal clip, storage bag, and user manual. Everything you need to start taking amazing photos is included. Get ready to enhance your mobile photography. What we like. This lens kit gives you 3 essential lenses: fisheye, wide-angle, and macro. The high-quality lenses reduce reflections and ghosting, resulting in amazing vision with details and clarity. The clip-on design makes it easy to attach and detach. If you're a beginner photographer who wants to experiment with different effects without a lot of fuss, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The lens is easy to attach and detach. The image quality is great. The zoom feature works well. Number 3. Godefa 14-in-1 Phone Camera Lens Kit. This kit includes a variety of lenses, such as wide-angle, macro, and fisheye. It also comes with a selfie ring light with adjustable brightness. This allows you to capture stunning photos and videos. The kit offers a wide range of effects. You can use the wide-angle lens to capture more of the scene, or the macro lens to get up close and personal. There are also telephoto and fisheye lenses for different perspectives. The lenses are made with high-quality glass. This ensures that your photos are sharp and clear, with minimal distortion. You'll be amazed by the results. Explore unique effects with the kaleidoscope, starburst, and radial filter lenses. These will add a creative touch to your photos. It's easy to get unique shots. The kit is designed to work with most smartphones. It's easy to attach and detach. It's compatible with iPhones, Samsung Galaxy phones, and many other devices. What we like. This kit boasts an impressive 14 different lenses, including a selfie ring light for perfect illumination. The wide range of lenses gives you endless creative possibilities. The kit is designed to work with a wide variety of smartphones. If you like to have many options and want to capture unique and creative shots, you should consider this one. What people say. These lenses are excellent and easy to use and add a lot of flair to your videos or pictures that you take. The picture quality is perfect. The kaleidoscope lens is my favorite. Number 2. Phone Camera Lens Kit, 11 lenses. Tired of basic phone photos? This lens kit is designed to transform your smartphone photography. It allows you to capture shots in various creative ways. With 11 different lenses, this kit provides everything you need. It helps you take better photos in different situations, making your phone act more like a traditional camera. The lenses are made of high-class glass, preventing ghosting and flares. This results in minimum vignetting and distortion, ensuring clear and crisp images. The universal clip design works with almost any smartphone. It's compatible with iPhones, Samsung Galaxy, and many other devices. You can easily attach it to your device in seconds. The detachable clamp makes it easy to swap between lenses. It's also portable, so you can take it with you wherever you go. This kit is a great way to enhance your... We want you to be completely satisfied with your purchase. If the product doesn't meet your expectations, please contact us. Our hassle-free policy ensures a risk-free buying experience. What we like. This kit offers 11 different lenses to help you take better photos in different situations. The lenses are made of high-class glass to prevent ghosting and flares. The universal clip makes it easy to attach to almost any smartphone. If you want a comprehensive kit that gives you a lot of options, you should consider this one. What people say. The lenses are very easy to use and stay clipped in place very well. The pictures she takes are really detailed and clear, and she has a ball using the macro lens to see what things really look like when magnified. These lenses offer an incredible range of versatility and options for capturing unique shots. Whether it's a wide-angle lens for breathtaking landscapes, a macro lens for stunning close-ups, or a fisheye lens for a fun and distorted effect, this pack has it all. Number 1. Cell Phone Camera Lens Kit, Wide-Angle, Macro, Fisheye. This amazing kit includes a variety of lenses to enhance your phone's camera. It offers a wide range of options to capture stunning photos and videos. The kit includes wide-angle, macro, telephoto, and fisheye lenses. Each lens provides a unique effect, allowing you to explore different perspectives. The lenses are made with finely processed glass for sharp images. They minimize distortion and vignetting, ensuring the best possible results. Explore creative effects with kaleidoscope, starburst, and radial filters. These filters add a unique touch to your photos, making them stand out. This kit is designed to work with most smartphones. The clip-on design makes it easy to attach and detach the lenses on various devices. What we like. This kit includes 11 different lenses, offering a variety of effects like wide-angle, macro, fisheye, and more. The high-quality lenses ensure sharp images with minimal distortion. The kit is compatible with a wide range of devices. If you enjoy experimenting with different photography styles and want a versatile kit, you should consider this one. What people say. These lenses are super easy to use, feel like they're high quality, and the macro lens especially is to die for. Fits over my thick phone case. Great product. The lenses work very well and make taking photos super unique and fun. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.